glitter. Okay, let's go ahead and... Yeah, pretty sure I got the wrong shade, but here. Okay, what is that in my eye? I just need more hydration so that my skin is not wanting to break off. Huda Beauty, this little one, the purple one. The whole thing was $26. It only comes with freaking 9 shades. Like, it's pretty or whatever, but it only comes with 9 shades, you know? I didn't. Anyways, let's get into the eyeshadow. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So, you know, whatever happens, happens. Really dark purple right here. Yeah. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I thought this would be darker. This one right here. And just buff it out, you know, on the outsides or whatever. Do we see a difference? Sorry, I thought me actually holding the mirror would actually make you see what I'm doing. Because I know I have a problem with that, but... Let's just do a halo. Let's just do a halo. You know what? Let's just do a halo. Okay, how are we liking it so far? We don't like it? I don't either.
This is a disaster. Everything is just going wrong, and I don't have time for things to be going wrong right now.
I think we're gonna do this one. Purple. We want purple. We want purple. Can you see it? It looks white on it. Well, it just doesn't look that great. Today's just not been the day. I thought I was making good decisions and then things just keep falling apart and I'm over it. This little blue, purple, we're gonna play in that for a minute, okay? Okay, we're getting somewhere. We are doing something. Yes, we are. They had me in the first, they had us in the first rounds, but you know.
Yeah, they had us the first half, I'm not gonna lie. They had us. We weren't defeated, but they had us. But it took guts, it took an attitude. That's all it takes.
Yeah, y'all see it? You'll see the vision. I don't really know if you can tell. Okay, glitter liner. Let's go in right here. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I'll be right back after I do all this.
Oh my God!
I don't know either. I'm just so stressed because I wanted this to be so good. And you know, the liner just ruined everything for me. Like, when doesn't it ever? Does eyeliner ruin your day? If I put on lashes, it'll look better, but as for right now, it's really not working. Alright. This whole video has already been going downhill, so, you know, let's just keep it going. Should I just do like a black eyeliner? I feel like I should. Like, let's probably outline it. I don't think that's a good idea. It's literally just falling off. Oh my gosh! Okay. Someone help me. We just went from like 3 different looks in this entire video, and I'm so sorry if you're watching this. Alright, so here's the deal. I'm gonna try to save this and we'll be back for just finishing because I'm over it. Alright. After that emotional breakdown, we found something. I know you can still see some of the glitter with the silver layer, but hey, look, this is what I did. This is what we saved. But yeah, y'all, we've been through it together. We got something done, okay? We got something. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of lipstick on so I don't look so ashy. You know, okay, I'm really actually liking this now. I'm gonna like take a picture of it and I'm gonna edit it so it looks cute and sharp and not looking like a trash bag like it does. Like, look. Oh, that's bad. She looked like a trash bag, okay? See you later. Bye. This has been a journey, okay?